this is the default columns of this table. We need to add extra column to this default table. Let's add a column. Let's stop debugging, click this red icon, cross this one. Let's add a property prop, twice tab, press string, and we need to add this column to store image path to show the end user the profile picture. Right click, open in File Explorer. We need to find out the root path of this project and click here and press command, hit enter. Command window pops up. Let's write migration command .NET EF migrations, add, and any name you can give, because we just add a column, so we need to add migration and then update the database. So migration is ongoing process. It will take time. Okay, migration completed. Let's write .NET EF database update. So image column migration already added to this project. Let's check this. Expand this data folder, then migration folder. This is image column migration, what we have done before. Let's run this code. .NET EF database update. Click enter, press enter. It will take time to update the database. It will add the column to that ASP.NET users table. Let's close this. Let's verify this. Let's refresh. Let's select design. Not refreshed. Let's click again. Not seeing the extra column. Need to refresh everything. Let's close all documents and refresh these tables. Now click design. At the bottom now we will see the extra column picture path, what we add before in our migration. So let's go to register page to specify file upload code so that we can upload profile picture. Let's copy this div portion and paste it at the bottom. Now here we need to specify file upload HTML markup code. Delete this portion, and here SP label should be different. Let's delete this portion, and class label control label. This is the bootstrap, and the label name should be image path. Let's specify file upload input, and type will be file, and this is required field, so mandatory to upload, to select a picture. The name is form file required, so form file will be cached from the server. Let's go to the register action method from this account controller. Let's find out. Control F, register. This is the action method. Go down. This is the post. After posting that form, that file will be cached here. Here we need to specify the form file. So I form file. Capital letter I, form file. This can retrieve file from the form. Let's import Microsoft ASP.NET Core HTTP. This is the dependency of this. Let's specify EncType application multipart form data to upload any file. This is prerequisite to specify inside form tag. Let's write few code to upload file, any file. So let's type string file name, and we need to generate different name so that we can store so many files. So here we are specifying guide.newguide plus appending form file extension. We need to specify variable file path, the path, not path string. Need to import system.io, input output, need to import. This is the dependency of this path. Combine, need to specify two string. So let's type, okay, need to find out the root directory of this project. So let's specify the host environment private interface I hosting environment specify import the hosting environment. This is belongs to hosting of ASP.NET Core. Let's give a name hosting environment, and this is field, so we specify underscore before this name, and let's inject this in our controller at the end. So I hosting environment and hosting environment, and need to initialize underscore hosting environment equal hosting environment. At the runtime, this dependency will be resolved. Scrolling down, so here need to specify the root directory of www root. Let's write hosting environment dot web root path plus need to append, and we will create files folder inside www root, and it will map the file name. This is the file path. So this web root belongs to root directory. Let's create files folder, and inside this files folder the all image will be stored. Let's check this form file exists or not in the form tag of HTML markup. So form file length if greater than 0, that means file exists. So we can store that file inside files folder. Using variable stream, we can get the file stream from this form file. Need to specify file path and file mode create. Here we are telling that this file can be created in that folder. Let's write code to move the file from browser to this server. Copy to async. This is asynchronous programming. Here we need to specify the picture path so that when we register, the path will be stored in our extra column of the table. This is the path. File name. We are done. You can format with Ctrl+K+D. Let's run this, save everything, then run this project. Wait a little bit, it will take time to... Okay, project is running. This is... Let's select, this is our existed user, don't have picture path. Let's edit and delete this record. Click delete, yes. Let's log out and click register. Here you can see the file upload button. Let's insert the values of each field to register an user. Let's select an profile image, this one, and the confirm password should be the same as password. Click register. Okay, here is an error to upload an image. Let's find out the problem. Okay, here is the mistake. Here we are saving the path with, we just need the extension from this file. Let's specify path dot get extension, then form file dot file name. That's it. Ctrl+K+D, run this project, close this one, refresh this page. Let's insert all the values again. Tawfiq at hotmail.com, giving a password. Let's select an image, give the password as same as password, click register. This time record already inserted in the database. Let's verify, execute SQL, and this is the file path. That's it. we are done, and this is the file inside the files folder of web root directory.